Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Emme Joya and you are watching my channel Joytech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram is down or not. Maybe you have a situation that you're trying to open your Instagram account and it's keep crashing and it's not working very well. So if you don't know how to fix this, then stay with me and watch this full video till the end and you can get this easily. So let's start today's topic. The very first thing you have to do is open your mobile settings, check out your Wi-Fi or your cellular network is fully connected with your device or not. If you have a proper connection, then go back and try to open your Instagram account. If this method is not working, then go to your Twitter account and find what is the top trend is going on. If you see the top trend is that Instagram is down, then you will be definitely know that this problem is not from your Android or your ISO devices. The problem was from Instagram authority. So if this method is also not working, then go back, open your Snapchat and try to conversate with your friends and ask them that they are facing the same problem or not on their Instagram account. If they are tell you that they are facing the same problem like you, then you will be definitely know that your Instagram is down. If this method you also tried and it's not working properly, then go back and try to open your regular SMS messages. SMS to your friends and ask them if they are facing the same problem like you, then you will definitely know that your Instagram is down. Maybe this method is also not working, then try to restart your device and try to open it again because sometimes the applications are stuck or maybe hanged. But when you restart this, the RAM and the flash will be refreshed and the application were working smoothly. I hope this method is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends. Thanks for watching.